Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can enable inspect element option in your Chrome mobile application. So if you are using Chrome desktop, then you have the option to enable inspect element just by right click on it. But if you are using mobile devices, then how we can enable that? So as you can see, I am using my Chrome mobile application, and suppose I want to inspect a element here. So let me click on this and you can see all the elements used on the website. Let me expand it, and these are these elements. Suppose I want to inspect the button, then I will click on here and I will select the button. Now I can see the button code and I can select any of the element. I can click on this I button and I can see all the CSS used for that button, and I can also delete that button if I want. Let me click on delete, and as you can see, the button is now gone from my website. So this is how you can use inspect element feature. Let me click on again and you can see the network tab, and let me click on resources, and you can see all the resources, all the script style sheet used on the website. You can see the images and you can see the source code as well. Click on info snippets and you can see all the settings like this. So let's check how you can enable this inspect element feature in your Chrome mobile phone. So for this, you need to open any of the website, and after that just click on three dot menu and click on the star icon. Now let me click on here. Now here you need to remove this name, and let's say I want to add it like inspect element like this, and in the URL field I will use a JavaScript code. So let me paste that, and the bookmark is now saved. Let's go back here. Now let me refresh it first. Now I will click on URL bar and search for inspect, and you will see the mobile bookmark. Let me click on that. Now you will see a icon like this. So here is the icon. So let's click on the icon. Now you have the inspect element feature, so you can explore all the element from here. And if you want to select any of the element, just click on here and select that element. Let me select that, and suppose I want to inspect this element. So let me scroll down and I want to inspect this heading. Then what I can do is I will click on here, select this button, and I will select the heading, and this is the heading selected, and I can click on CSS and I can see all the CSS used here. So this is how you can use inspect element feature in your Chrome mobile phone. So this is not as powerful as we use in the desktop version, but still you can see all the elements used on the website, and you can easily enable it on any other website. Suppose I want to go to a different website. Let's say, let me go to TechieLip and I will click on inspect element. I will select the bookmark. Now the same icon will be enabled here in this website as well. And I will click on here, click on elements, and I can see all the elements. Let me select this button, and here is the button added. So this is how you can use inspect element feature in your Chrome mobile phone. So all you have to do is add a bookmark with the name inspect element, and in the URL field you need to add a JavaScript code. I will provide the code link in the description, so you can just download it and use it in your Chrome browser. So if you still have doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.